Welcome to the biggest day of the year, the championship finals. Runners, take your positions on the track.
Today, somebody will surprise us. They always do.
My son is the fastest. Everyone will see today.
Same track, same race, same winner. Me. First place, every time. That is just how it is.
Fast feet. But what is in his heart? That is the question.
I always win. I have never lost. Not once. Don't watch me. Watch the finish line. That is where I will be.
Being fast is a gift. What you do with it is your choice.
I choose first place. Always. So many people. Okay, just run. Just run, Lucas. That is Kai. He has never lost a race. Not once.
Lucas, how are you feeling?
Nervous, coach. Very nervous.
You trained hard. Trust your legs. Trust your heart.
What if I am last, coach?
Last means you finished. That is more than most people do.
You look pretty nervous to me. I am not backing down.
Show me who you are today.
Come on, Kai. Show them. Show everyone.
Faster, faster. Nobody can catch me. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Kai! Kai! Go, Kai!
I've got to keep pushing.
He has heart. Real heart.
Don't stop. Almost there. Almost there.
Yes! Kai! Almost there!
I have to get up. I can still finish this. I can't leave him behind.
Show me who you are, Kai.
I can't do this. Yes, you can. Let's go. Can you get up? Take my hand. I fell. I cannot believe I fell. Take my hand, Lucas. We finish this together. You came back. Why did you come back? You were winning. Can you walk? Let's finish together. Come on, let's finish this. Thanks, Kai. We're in this together.
That is my boy. I am so proud of you both.
We finished. Together. Together. Thank you, Kai. Last place. I came last. And I feel okay. I feel okay. You gave up the trophy for me. Why? I gave up nothing. Nothing. I chose something better.
I have 30 years. I never saw that before.
Coach, I came last.
You came last in the race. You came first in the room.
That should be mine. It is mine. But I am glad it is not.
Kai! Kai! That is my son. That is my son.
Look, I did it!
I am so proud of you.
Next year, I will be faster. I promise. Next year, I will be better. That is different.
Today, somebody won the race. But somebody won something bigger. The fastest wins a trophy. The bravest wins respect. Today, Kai was the bravest person here.
Coach, I want to be both. Fast
And brave. That is the right answer. Now you are ready. You did not win the race. But Kai, I have never been more proud of you. Never.
Next year, I win the race and help anyone who falls.
That is the son I have. Always.
I get it now. It wasn't about winning. Today I learned 2 words, arrogant and brave. I was arrogant. Then I chose to be brave. Win means first place. Victory means something different. Today, Kai won the victory. Not the race, the victory.
Every day we make choices. Big choices and small choices. Kai made one choice today. It changed everything.
Comment below, what would you do? Stop and help? Or keep running? Have you ever helped someone when it was hard? Tell us. Subscribe for more slow English stories every week.